Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the addition, subtraction, multiplication of polynomials. Well, just like functions, polynomials can be added, they can be subtracted, and they can also be multiplied. But for this particular video, we're just going to look at the division of polynomials. And with us is an example. So our example 1 is saying divide 2x to the power 4 plus x cubed minus 17x squared plus 13x plus 2 by x minus 2 by using long division first of all, and secondly synthetic division. So when we use both methods, they must give us the same result. So first of all, we're going to start with long division. So here is how to work out this type of problem. So to perform long division, of course, you get the entire factor, which is x minus 2. So let me just write this properly. So we have x minus 2 as our factor. And then under here, we're going to insert the entire function, 2x to the power 4 plus x cubed minus 17x squared plus 13x plus 2. So to perform division, long division, if you are going to divide the factor by everything inside here, the factor by the function. So 2x to the power 4 divided by x. So this was just something like this, 2x to the power 4 divided by x. So x into that gonna be x cubed. So the result is going to be 2x to the power 3. So that is what you're going to insert here. And then you're going to multiply, just like we perform the normal division of numbers, is what you're going to do here as well with polynomials. So 2x cubed times everything here, which is going to look like this. I'm just writing this on the side so you know what is going on. So it's going to be 2x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed. So this expression is what you're going to insert down here. 2x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed. And then you're going to subtract everything. And just erase this once again. Then 2x to the power 4 minus 6 to the power 4 is 0, so you're going to leave it blank. And then x to the power 3 minus negative 4x to the power 3 is going to be 5x cubed. Now you perform the same process again. 5x cubed divided by x is going to be positive 5x squared. 5x squared times that, but before you perform the multiplication, you're going to bring down the negative 17x squared. So now you can perform the multiplication here. 5x squared times x minus 2 is going to be 5x cubed minus 10x squared. Then you subtract. That's going to be 0, and there it's going to be negative 7x squared. Then you bring down your 13 there, 13x. So now negative 7x squared divided by x is going to be negative 7x. Negative 7x by x minus 2 is going to be negative 7x squared plus 14x. Then you're going to multiply everything inside. That will give you 0, and that will give you negative x. Then you bring down for 2. So negative x divided by x is going to be negative 1. Negative 1 times the factor is going to be negative x plus 2. When you subtract, everything that's going to be 0, and that's going to be 0. So we have our remainder as 0. So this will be our solution right here. So our solution is 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x. So now let's move on to synthetic division. So for synthetic division, you have to remember that our factor is x minus 2. So I'm just going to equate this to 0 to find the value of x, which is going to be positive 2. And I'm going to draw this line, this table, and we're going to insert 2 over here. And then we're going to get all the factors from the function. Remember, our function was x to the power of 4 plus x cubed minus 17x squared plus 13x. I'm sorry, I keep on saying function. It's actually a polynomial. This is our polynomial. So we're going to get the coefficients of the polynomial and insert them over here. So we have 2, we have 1, we have negative 17, we have 13, and we have 2. So first of all, you're going to bring this 2 down, and then we're going to multiply 2 by 2, which is going to be 4. And then 1 plus 4 is going to be 5. 2 by 5 is going to be 10. Negative 17 plus 10 is going to be negative 7. Negative 7 by 2 is going to be negative 14. And then 13 minus 14 is negative 1. Negative 1 by 2 is going to be negative 2. And then 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. So this is our remainder. The last digit is our remainder. And then you're going to get the coefficients and just replace them in the new polynomial. So since our highest power here was 4, so it's going to go down by 1. So our highest power now become 3. So 2x to the power 3 plus 5x squared minus 7x minus 1. So this is going to be our quotient. So if you compare this to our previous solution, 2x to the power 3 plus 5x squared minus 7 is the same as, sorry, I forgot a 1 here. Yeah, so minus 1 is the same solution. So whether you use synthetic division or long division, you still find the answer. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.